Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about how to export a Pandas DataFrame into a Postgres database. Alright, so I got the code here and let me go ahead and open IPython. So I'm going to import Pandas as PD and I'm going to import the create engine from SQLAlchemy, and I'm going to read in the example data, a SD1 data into DataFrame. So this is how you do it. So you call the read Excel function or method and you pass in the Excel file. So this is the content of the Excel file. So it's just about SD1, okay? And I can now say df. And now we see the data frame. Okay, so next step is to connect to the Postgres database using SQLAlchemy. And this is the format. So we call the create engine and we pass in this string here. So the format of this string is dialect or the device type plus connector. So in this case, Psycho PG2 and the username and password at localhost because I'm running the database locally and I'm using the custom port 5433. The default one is 5432 and the name of the database. So this is a string, right? And you assign the result of this expression to a variable called engine. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this code. Now if we do type, we now have a engine. Okay, and this is how you export the data frame into the Postgres database. And what you do is call the toSQL method, and we can verify that this is really a method by doing this command here. Yeah, it's a method. So we are calling the toSQL method, and these are the parameters or arguments. So name is the name of the table. Con is the connector or SQLAlchemy engine. And if exists, we have these options: fail, replace, append. I'm using replace. By default, the value is fail, but here I'm using replace. And index false, so I'm not going to include the index as a column. And we just print data exported successfully to PostgreSQL. Okay, and let me go ahead and actually, before I do that, let me show you the database itself. And here, this is the database, and we got a table called network devices, and that's it. So we expect that a table SD1 devices should appear here. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this code. Yeah, data exported successfully to PostgreSQL. So it looks like this command ran successfully. So now we can just refresh the table. And now we see the table, SD1 devices. And I'm going to scripts, select script. And now we can view the content of the table. Okay, so this is the same with the Excel file. Okay, so that's how you can export a Pandas DataFrame into a Postgres database. Alright, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.